Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 22nd, 2020. Two Sudokus left, a binary I will do and a tectonic, this one, tectonic, yes. And this binary puzzle will be number 178. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double 1, here and O, there and O. 4 O's we now have, so the rest are ones. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Yes. Between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 ones comes in O. Double 1 here, no, there, no, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, O. Then. If we have here 3 ones, if I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be in 1, this should be in O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1 here, and O there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, and O there, no. 4 O's, the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku, great binary. I like this one without comparing. So if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic with 3 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.